Cobiton Online Training. Unlocking the power of mobile testing with Cobiton, a game changer for DevOps. Unlocking the power of mobile testing with Cobiton, a game changer for DevOps. Mobile testing has become an essential component in modern DevOps pipelines, especially as mobile applications continue to grow in complexity and usage. Cobiton, a leading mobile device testing platform, is revolutionizing the way teams approach mobile app testing by offering a suite of features designed to streamline the process and increase the speed of releases. Here's how Cobiton is a game changer for DevOps. 1. Real device testing in the cloud. Cobiton allows developers and testers to access real devices in the cloud, eliminating the need for costly physical device labs. By testing on real devices instead of simulators or emulators, teams can ensure more accurate results, especially for features like device-specific behaviors, touch sensitivity, and hardware interactions. 2. Seamless integration with DevOps tools. Cobiton is designed to integrate seamlessly with popular DevOps tools like Jenkins, Jira, GitHub, and more. These integrations enable continuous testing as part of the CI/CD pipeline, which allows for automated testing on real devices during every stage of development, ensuring that issues are identified and resolved faster. 3. Automated testing. Cobiton supports both manual and automated testing. Developers can write scripts using various frameworks like Appium, Selenium, or Cobiton's built-in automation capabilities. Automated mobile testing helps speed up the process and reduces the need for repetitive manual testing, improving overall efficiency in the DevOps cycle. 4. Real-time collaboration and reporting. Cobiton enables real-time collaboration between developers, testers, and other stakeholders. Teams can access detailed logs, screenshots, and videos from tests, making it easier to understand test results and debug issues faster. This real-time feedback loop accelerates the debugging and testing process, crucial for rapid development cycles in DevOps. 5. Support for multiple platforms. Cobiton supports both Android and iOS devices, which is critical for teams working on cross-platform applications. This ensures that the app performs well across different devices and operating systems without needing separate testing setups for each platform. 6. Enhanced device coverage. Cobiton provides access to a broad range of devices, including various models, OS versions, screen sizes, and configurations. This helps teams test their apps in a wide range of environments, ensuring compatibility and a seamless user experience across all devices. 7. Scalability and flexibility. Whether you need to run a few tests or scale up for hundreds of devices in parallel, Cobiton can handle the load. Its cloud-based infrastructure ensures scalability, allowing teams to test their apps on a variety of devices without worrying about hardware limitations. 8. Cost-effective solution. By offering cloud-based access to a range of real devices, Cobiton removes the need to maintain and manage physical testing devices. This not only cuts down costs associated with device procurement but also reduces the time spent on device management, enabling DevOps teams to focus more on development. Cobiton, revolutionizing real device testing for seamless user experiences. Unlocking the power of mobile testing with Cobiton, a game changer for DevOps. Mobile testing has become an essential component in modern DevOps pipelines, especially as mobile applications continue to grow in complexity and usage. Cobiton, a leading mobile device testing platform, is revolutionizing the way teams approach mobile app testing by offering a suite of features designed to streamline the process and increase the speed of releases. Here's how Cobiton is a game changer for DevOps. 1. Real device testing in the cloud. Cobiton allows developers and testers to access real devices in the cloud, eliminating the need for costly physical device labs. By testing on real devices instead of simulators or emulators, teams can ensure more accurate results, especially for features like device-specific behaviors, touch sensitivity, and hardware interactions. 2. Seamless integration with DevOps tools. Cobiton is designed to integrate seamlessly with popular DevOps tools like Jenkins, Jira, GitHub, and more. These integrations enable continuous testing as part of the CI/CD pipeline, which allows for automated testing on real devices during every stage of development, ensuring that issues are identified and resolved faster. 3. Automated testing. Cobiton supports both manual and automated testing. Developers can write scripts using various frameworks like Appium, Selenium, or Cobiton's built-in automation capabilities. Automated mobile testing helps speed up the process and reduces the need for repetitive manual testing, improving overall efficiency in the DevOps cycle. 4. Real-time collaboration and reporting. Cobiton enables real-time collaboration between developers, testers, and other stakeholders. Teams can access detailed logs, screenshots, and videos from tests, making it easier to understand test results and debug issues faster. This real-time feedback loop accelerates the debugging and testing process, crucial for rapid development cycles in DevOps. 5. Support for multiple platforms. Cobiton supports both Android and iOS devices, which is critical for teams working on cross-platform applications. This ensures that the app performs well across different devices and operating systems without needing separate testing setups for each platform. 6. Enhanced device coverage. Cobiton provides access to a broad range of devices, including various models, OS versions, screen sizes, and configurations. This helps teams test their apps in a wide range of environments, ensuring compatibility and a seamless user experience across all devices. 7. Scalability and flexibility. Whether you need to run a few tests or scale up for hundreds of devices in parallel, Cobiton can handle the load. Its cloud-based infrastructure ensures scalability, allowing teams to test their apps on a variety of devices without worrying about hardware limitations. 8. Cost-effective solution. By offering cloud-based access to a range of real devices, Cobiton removes the need to maintain and manage physical testing devices. This not only cuts down costs associated with device procurement but also reduces the time spent on device management, enabling DevOps teams to focus more on development. How Cobiton enhances mobile app quality. Key features you need to know. Cobiton is a powerful mobile device testing platform that focuses on enhancing the quality and performance of mobile apps. It provides a comprehensive suite of tools and features to facilitate efficient and effective testing across a wide range of mobile devices. Here are the key features of Cobiton that contribute to enhancing mobile app quality. 1. Real device testing. Cobiton allows users to test their apps on real devices as opposed to emulators or simulators. This provides a more accurate representation of how the app performs on actual devices, including handling performance, usability, and functionality in real-world conditions. 2. Device Lab Management. Cobiton's cloud-based device lab provides access to a wide variety of physical Android and iOS devices. Users can run tests on devices across different models, operating systems, and screen sizes, ensuring compatibility across the mobile ecosystem. 3. Automated testing. Cobiton supports automated test scripts written in popular frameworks like Appium, Espresso, and XCUI-Test. This feature accelerates testing cycles and enables repetitive tasks to be automated, reducing human error and increasing test coverage. 4. Manual testing. For more granular control, Cobiton allows manual testing where users can interact with apps in real time on physical devices. This feature is especially useful for exploratory testing or when specific scenarios need to be tested interactively. 5. Performance testing. Cobiton includes built-in performance testing tools that help monitor app performance across devices, tracking metrics such as load times, responsiveness, and battery usage. This allows teams to identify and fix performance bottlenecks before the app is released. 6. Parallel testing. The platform supports parallel testing, allowing users to run tests on multiple devices simultaneously. This significantly speeds up the testing process, especially when testing apps across various configurations, and enhances the overall efficiency of quality assurance (QA) workflows. 7. Visual testing. Cobiton's visual testing capabilities enable users to compare screenshots and screen recordings of their app during tests. This helps identify UI issues such as layout problems, color mismatches, or content misalignments across devices. 8. Integration with CI/CD tools. Cobiton integrates with popular continuous integration continuous deployment CI/CD tools like Jenkins, GitHub, and Bitbucket. This enables seamless integration of mobile testing into the development pipeline, ensuring that mobile app quality is maintained throughout the development life cycle. 9. Test analytics and reporting. After tests are completed, Cobiton provides detailed analytics and reporting. These insights help QA teams understand test results, identify issues, and track progress. The platform also allows users to generate custom reports to share with stakeholders. 10. Cloud-based access. Being a cloud-based platform, Cobiton enables testers and developers to access testing environments from anywhere, making it easier to collaborate across teams and locations. This is particularly helpful for teams working in different time zones or distributed across regions. Boost your mobile app testing with Cobiton's cloud-based device lab. Cobiton's cloud-based device lab offers an efficient way to boost mobile app testing by providing access to real devices for both manual and automated testing. Here's how Cobiton enhances mobile app testing. 1. Access to real devices. Cloud-based device lab, Cobiton allows you to test your mobile app on a wide range of real devices without needing to maintain a physical device lab. You can access hundreds of devices remotely, ensuring that your app performs optimally across different device models, screen sizes, and OS versions. No emulators. Testing on real devices provides more accurate insights compared to emulators, which often fail to replicate the real-world user experience. 2. Automated and manual testing. Automated testing. Cobiton supports automation frameworks like Appium and Selenium, enabling fast and consistent regression tests. Automated tests can be run across multiple devices simultaneously, speeding up testing cycles. Manual testing. You can perform manual testing on real devices with features like screen recording, device interaction, and live debugging. 3. Performance testing. Cobiton provides tools for monitoring device performance during testing, including CPU usage, memory, battery, and network conditions. This helps identify performance bottlenecks early in the development process. 4. Cross-platform support. Cobiton supports testing of both Android and iOS applications, making it easy for developers and testers to ensure cross-platform compatibility. 5. Integration with CI/CD. Cobiton can integrate with your continuous integration and continuous delivery (CI/CD) pipeline. This ensures that mobile app testing is part of your automated build and release process, reducing manual intervention and improving overall efficiency. 6. Visual testing. You can capture screenshots and videos of tests for visual verification, which helps in identifying UI issues quickly across different devices and OS versions. 7. Real-time collaboration. Cobiton allows teams to collaborate in real time, making it easier to report bugs, share test results, and review logs, leading to quicker issue resolution and better communication between developers, testers, and stakeholders. Cobiton versus traditional emulators. Why real device testing is crucial for success. Real device testing offers several distinct advantages over traditional emulators, especially when it comes to the accuracy and reliability of mobile app performance. Here's a comparison highlighting why real device testing is crucial for success. 1. Realistic user experience. Real devices. Testing on actual devices provides a true representation of how users will experience the app. Device-specific features like network conditions, hardware limitations, and interaction nuances, example touchscreen responsiveness, are more accurately represented. Emulators. While emulators can simulate device environments, they cannot perfectly replicate real-world conditions such as hardware variability, battery levels, or actual performance under different conditions, example 4G versus Wi-Fi. 2. Hardware and OS variability. Real devices. Testing across various real devices ensures that your app works across the full spectrum of hardware and OS versions, which is essential in today's diverse mobile market. Emulators can simulate only a limited number of devices and OS configurations, often leading to missed issues. Emulators often fail to represent device-specific issues like different screen sizes, resolutions, and unique hardware components, example GPS, camera, sensors. Additionally, certain OS-specific bugs may not appear in an emulator but will manifest on a physical device. 3. Performance and speed. Real devices provide a true sense of app performance, including load times, memory usage, and resource management. This is critical for understanding how an app performs in real time under various conditions, example, network speed fluctuations or limited resources. Emulators often run slower than real devices and may not accurately reflect the app's speed or behavior when used in real-world conditions. This difference can result in performance discrepancies when the app is deployed. 4. Network and connectivity testing. Real devices allow for testing under various network conditions, such as fluctuating data signals, intermittent connectivity, and Wi-Fi switching. Testing in a live environment helps simulate user experiences under different real-world conditions. While emulators can simulate network speed and conditions, they do not always replicate real network fluctuations, connection drops, or data roaming situations as accurately as a real device can. 5. Interactivity and user behavior. Real device testing lets you assess the touch sensitivity, gestures, and multi-touch functionality that might differ between devices. You can also evaluate the interaction of your app with physical sensors such as accelerometers, cameras, and gyroscopes. While some emulators can simulate touch and gestures, they lack the fine-grained responsiveness and behavior that physical devices exhibit, leading to potential gaps in user experience testing. Exploring the future of mobile app testing with Cobiton's AI-powered insights. Cobiton is an AI-powered mobile app testing platform that leverages automation and AI to streamline and enhance the testing process. As the mobile app landscape continues to evolve, so does the need for faster, more efficient, and more intelligent testing solutions. Here's a look at how Cobiton's AI-powered insights are shaping the future of mobile app testing. 1. AI-driven test automation. Cobiton's AI-enhanced automation capabilities enable testers to automate repetitive tasks and perform tests faster without sacrificing quality. By integrating AI into the testing workflow, Cobiton can learn from past test cases and predict the best approach for new tests. This reduces the need for manual intervention and minimizes errors, making the testing process both faster and more reliable. 2. Real-time test analytics. Cobiton's AI-powered insights provide real-time data and analytics during test execution. This includes detailed information on performance, usability, and any issues encountered during testing. By leveraging AI to analyze this data, testers can identify patterns, prioritize issues, and pinpoint bottlenecks more effectively. This leads to quicker decision-making and helps teams focus on the most critical issues. 3. Predictive analytics for test coverage. Using AI, Cobiton can predict areas of the app that are most likely to encounter issues based on historical data, user behavior, and app performance. This predictive capability allows testing teams to prioritize the areas that need the most attention, ensuring that resources are used efficiently and reducing the risk of missing critical issues. 4. Continuous improvement with machine learning. Corbiton's machine learning algorithms continuously learn and improve over time. As more tests are run, the platform refines its testing strategies, making it smarter and more adaptive. This ongoing learning process enables Corbiton to identify even the most elusive issues, ensuring that apps meet the highest standards for performance and usability. 5. Cross-device testing with AI. Corbiton supports real-device testing, enabling app testers to test apps on a wide range of devices, operating systems, and screen sizes. AI integration takes this further by optimizing testing strategies for different devices, analyzing device performance in real time, and suggesting improvements. This helps ensure that the app performs well across diverse devices, providing a seamless user experience. 6. Enhanced user experience testing. AI-powered testing platforms like Corbiton can analyze how real users interact with an app, offering insights into the user experience (UX). By tracking user behavior, such as how long they spend on specific screens or where they encounter issues, AI can provide actionable recommendations to improve UX, ensuring apps are intuitive and user-friendly. 7. Visual validation. With AI-based visual validation tools, Corbiton can identify visual discrepancies, like UI misalignment or inconsistencies in colors and fonts, across different devices. This is critical for ensuring that the app's appearance remains consistent on various devices and screen sizes, improving the overall user experience. 8. Seamless integration with CI/CD pipelines. Corbiton integrates with continuous integration continuous deployment CI/CD pipelines, allowing AI-powered mobile app testing to be part of the development life cycle. This enables developers to catch issues early, test new features in real time, and ensure that the app remains stable with every release. Scaling your mobile testing strategy with Corbiton's automation and performance tools. Corbiton offers a comprehensive mobile testing platform that integrates automation and performance tools to help businesses scale their mobile testing strategies effectively. Here's how you can leverage Corbiton's features for scaling your mobile testing. 1. Automated testing. Scriptless automation. Corbiton provides a scriptless interface for automating mobile tests, making it easier for teams to quickly write and execute test scripts without needing deep programming knowledge. This reduces the barrier to entry and accelerates the automation process. Cross-device testing. With access to real devices in the cloud, Corbiton allows testing across multiple devices and operating systems. You can run tests on real Android and iOS devices to ensure compatibility and performance across different environments. Continuous integration. Corbiton integrates with CI/CD tools like Jenkins, GitLab, and Bamboo. This enables you to automate your testing workflows as part of your continuous integration and delivery pipeline, ensuring faster feedback and quality control. 2. Real-time performance monitoring. Performance insights. Corbiton provides detailed performance metrics, such as CPU, memory usage, and network performance during testing. This helps identify bottlenecks and optimize the app's performance on real devices. App load testing. Corbiton's performance testing tools allow you to simulate real-world conditions, testing how your app behaves under varying loads. This can help you scale your app to handle high user traffic without compromising on performance. 3. Parallel testing. Speed and scalability. Cobeton enables parallel execution of tests on multiple devices, which reduces the total time needed for testing. This is especially important when scaling testing efforts for large mobile applications with many features and supported devices. Cloud Device Farms. By using Cobeton's Cloud Device Farm, you can test on a wide variety of real devices without having to maintain your own infrastructure, allowing for massive scalability. 4. Integration with other tools. Mobile CI/CD integration. Cobeton supports integration with other mobile development tools like Xcode, Android Studio, and Appium, allowing you to seamlessly integrate mobile testing into your overall CI/CD pipeline. Bug tracking and reporting. Cobeton integrates with popular project management and bug tracking tools like Jira and Slack. This ensures that test results, including failed tests or performance issues, are communicated to the right teams for faster resolution. 5. User experience and accessibility testing. Real user behavior simulation. Cobeton helps simulate user behavior in different mobile environments to identify user experience issues that could arise in production. Accessibility testing. Ensuring that your mobile app is accessible to all users is vital. Cobeton can be used to test the accessibility features of your app, helping you comply with regulations and improving inclusivity. 6. Test reporting and analytics. Detailed reports. After each test, Cobeton generates detailed reports that provide insights into test results, including performance metrics, device compatibility, and test status. This data helps you make informed decisions about app improvements. Analytics dashboard. Cobeton provides an analytics dashboard for visualizing testing trends, identifying recurring issues, and improving the overall quality of your mobile apps over time. Why choose ProExcellency for Cobeton online training? Choosing ProExcellency for Cobeton online training can offer several advantages. Expert trainers. ProExcellency is known for having instructors who are industry experts with hands-on experience in Cobeton and mobile testing. This allows learners to gain practical, real-world knowledge. Comprehensive curriculum. Their training covers both fundamental and advanced topics, providing a well-rounded understanding of Cobeton, from mobile device testing to automating tests using Cobeton's platform. Flexible learning. ProExcellency offers flexible online training schedules, enabling learners to choose sessions that fit their availability and pace. Interactive learning environment. The training often includes practical labs, exercises, and case studies that enhance understanding and skills development in a hands-on environment. Certified courses. Completing training with ProExcellency may lead to certifications that can bolster your professional qualifications in mobile app testing and automation. Customer reviews and testimonials. Positive feedback from previous learners about the quality of instruction, customer support, and the effectiveness of the training adds credibility to ProExcellency's offerings. Support and resources. ProExcellency provides ongoing support after the training, ensuring that students have access to resources, clarifications, and guidance when applying their skills in real projects. Thank you.